Thomas was gonna pull a train, but he found all the rolling stock all gone. Don't take it personally, my old child, said an engine. I'm not a child, who do you think you are? I'm Glynn. I stole all your trucks. What? Why? It was funny. By the way, the trucks are all in that siding over there. But be warned, the places are not cheap. Name your price, old man. Your girlfriend's dinner plans. Done! Wait, what did you say? Oh, heck no, I'm not staying around for this. Goodbye! That guy was weird. And besides, I am a committed man. Oh, that never gets old.